Next up, I'm going to show you how to solve the ALEKS problem, ranking the following compounds in order of decrease in boiling point. So what ALEKS is asking us to do is to rank the compounds in order of decrease in boiling points, and the compound rank 1 has the highest boiling point, and the compound rank 3 has the lowest. So what ALEKS is going to do here is it's going to show us 3 different compounds for this specific question, and what it wants us to do is to rank. So the tips for this question is pretty easy, which is refresh yourself on of the order of intermolecular forces from Gen Chem 2, and then hydrogen bonding, which is a stronger type of dipole-dipole interaction, has a higher boiling point. And then hydrogen bonds happen when a hydrogen is attached to oxygen, nitrogen, and fluorine. And again, this is the order of the intermolecular forces strength. So since we don't have no real metal in this compound, we can go ahead and just write an X because we won't be dealing with that. So we'll just look at next at what the compounds that we have. So here I'm going to circle them. We have a kind of a hydroxide attached onto a carbon right here, and I'll just draw it here. So for those that don't understand, but this is a carbon right here, and it's attached onto another carbon. And then right here, we just have a oxygen, which is attached onto a carbon. So next we rank them in order of intermolecular force. So as we already said, when it comes to the order of forces, we first going to look for anyone with a hydrogen bond, which is right here. And because hydrogen bonding is stronger than just regular dipole or van der Waals forces, we're going to go ahead and rank this one as 3. And the reason so is because the hydrogen from the force and then the water, or say the water or whatever boiling or whatever, tend to stick together stronger than what the other dipole would do. Next, we look for a dipole. So we know carbon, that's nonpolar, so that's not going to create a dipole. But right here, we have a oxygen attached to a carbon, and that is polar. So we're going to go ahead and rank this as number 2. And then last, which is kind of van der Waals, and nonpolar is going to be this carbon-to-carbon bond. And right below, we just have a different, a different form of the question or something that you might see, and it's pretty much still the same rules. So you see your hydrogen bond, just go ahead and write 3. Your dipole right here, write 2, and then your weakest bond, which is carbon-carbon. So yeah, not too hard, not too complicated. Again, if this video helped you or your classmates, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.